Hello, thank you for clicking on the link to watch this video. The purpose of the video is to give you a few tools and places that you can go to find out more about the AMP test and specifically more about how to go in and have your students and your children use the technology tools on the AMP test and to be able to practice with them. You would start here at the EED website. Here's the address right here at the top, education.alaska.gov. Then click on this purple star, Assessments. Then find the tab that says AMP right here. Then I'm going to scroll down to this link right here where it says AMP Technology Practice Test Resources. That's the one that we want to do to practice using the technology and the different tools of the test. These practice tests are not about the content, but about using the different tools. Now, you could skip all the clicks that I just did and go straight to this website, but I would rather click on the links than type out all of these items, but however you do that is totally up to you. But once you're here, this is the actual page that we need to be on. If you have not done so yet, before you're able to go in and practice, you'll have to download, here's the first step, it says here, download the Kite client. What that means is you'll have to have this particular application on your computer before your child or your student will be able to go in and practice. Teachers, this is automatically on your computer. Parents, you'll have to download this. The link and the directions are right here. You'll be able to click on it. And you'll come here. Now, it's already downloaded on mine, so it doesn't give me an option to download. Oh, here we go, right here. And then you just figure out which one of these fits your needs, and you click on it, and it'll download. Notice this is the Kite client symbol. Once you have successfully downloaded it, this will show up. For me, it's on my toolbar right here. You can see it. It might be teachers. If you don't see it on the bottom of yours, go to your launch pad right here, and then you might have to slide over until you see it, and it'll be on here somewhere. Then once you click on it, it'll pop up in just a second, and then that will allow us to practice. So if we were going to go in and practice, this would be where we would type in our username and password. But I'm not going to show you that. There's another video for that. But keep in mind the username and passwords because we're going to come back to that in just a second. So once I have the Kite client downloaded on the computer or device that I'm going to use, here are some directions that might help you. But this is about signing in on the password and what some of the screens would look like. That might be helpful. But really, once you sign in, these are the passwords and usernames that you would have to use. For the general technology practice test, if it's language arts, grades 3 through 5, there's the username, there's the password. We all have the same username and password because we're just going in and practice using the tools. If you want to look at these particular tools, here are your username and passwords here. I would encourage teachers, both teachers and parents, to go in and practice and play with the tools before you let your students do. That way you can help them through it. A lot of it are motions and skills that they already have because of other games that they play, but some will be a little bit different. Also, these four links are all videos that will go into more detail about what the technology practice tests look like. not just how to get on, that's kind of what I just showed you, but what do the tests mean? How can you click through them? What do the different tools do? So this one is for grades 3 through 10. That's an intro. And then there are some specific tools depending on what grades your children are in. Here's one for 3.5. Here's the link for 3.10. And here are some other tools that might apply to your needs also. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your office, and we will move forward. And good luck on the AMP test. Thank you very much.